simply gave up. So this is another way people, you try, I mean, some people try it for a third time and then they give up. I'm just talking about education. Sometimes in life we try like fourth, fifth, sixth time also, and sometimes you give up. That's the second way people deal with it. But the 1% of people who are the achievers in life, who are the successful people in life, right? We all would like to be part of that. I think you are part of that. Right? So you are all part of that minor percentage who are really right on top. හැබැයි මෙන්න මේ කට්ටිය ජීවිතේ සාර්ථකත්වය අසාර්ථකත්වය එහෙම නැත්නම් පරාජය failure එක මොන දුන්නේ හරිම වෙනස් විදියකට. For them it wasn't failure. It wasn't failure. ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ වාග්මාලාවේ in their vocabulary there is no such thing called failure. Because there is nothing to fail. You fail the moment you give up. Because for them, you have a goal, you follow a strategy, you get a result, two things happen. Either you're successful, in which case everybody will give you awards and say, wow, you're great, this team is the best, You get your bonuses, whatever. But the problem becomes, ප්‍රශ්නේ වෙන්නේ මේ result එක අපි බලාපොරොත්තු වෙච්ච දේ no. What you get is just a negative result. It's not a failure. මේ අවස්ථාවේදී ක්‍රමවේද දෙකයි තියෙන්නේ. This is how the most successful people look at it. You go back and see whether the strategy was right. දැන් මම කලින් ගත්ත උදාහරණය මම අර